New Year's Eve is almost here. If you're planning on celebrating with fireworks, there are some things you should know before setting them off. Here's Isabella Moody.
It's okay.
New Year's Eve is one of the busiest times for the year for local fireworks stores. But there are a few safety tips that can help you if you choose to set them off to ring in 2025.
People come in, buy sparklers, Roman candles, cakes.
They're not something you play around with. You got to respect them, because they're not going to respect you. But you got to respect fireworks when you're shooting them. So you just be careful, and let's welcome 2025 in with a big bang and a big smile.
In Georgia, you must be 18 years old to purchase fireworks, and in South Carolina, you need to be 16. A few safety tips you need to know include having space to shoot off the fireworks, have a hose or bucket of water nearby, never let children hold fireworks, and do not let alcohol and fireworks mix.
I think when people get inebriated, they don't have their exact coordination intact. They make mistakes, and a lot of times those mistakes can lead to major catastrophes.
Floating candles and projectiles are not allowed to be used in Georgia. Small bottle rockets are not allowed in South Carolina. The largest fireworks you can purchase is 500 grams. Anything larger is illegal in Georgia and South Carolina.
The thing that we do emphasize when you're using the 500-gram cakes, make sure you read the label, because there is an indication on there that tells you that where to face the firework away from spectators.
And if you have pets, make sure to have them secure in the house and have some type of identification on them in case they do get out.
We should make sure that we secure our pets, put them in an area where they're not hearing the loud noise and loud bangs, because that does frighten them.
In Augusta, Isabella Moody, WJBF News Channel 6.